Hello, ladies and gents.
Hello, ladies and gents.
Thank you for joining our live streaming on YouTube. Let me give some time for the viewers to log in. This has been a very nice week in our VIP session. We had a losing day, but most of the days we had one losing day and four winning days in our V Telegram group, where I send binary option signals over there. Soon we will start copy trading, hopefully. So you can easily copy us automatically on Pocket Option. This is why I like Pocket Option more than other brokers. They have this feature which is not available on Kotex and other binary options brokers. So today will be the seventh day testing the Martingale binary options trading strategy that we have put in place. We had three winning days so far, three winning days and three losing days. Now, keep in mind, we are stress testing the strategy because $100 balance for Martingale is a very small amount. Um, for you who are not familiar with the concept of Martingale, it's basically if you trade $1, you lose it. You trade for your second trade will be $2.4, for example. In order for you to recover the $1 loss plus some profit. Now, if this loses, you go for, let's say, $6, for example. If you win, you go back to the first stage of the martingale. If you lose, you keep on doubling up until you have a winning trade. Now, this is why it's very dangerous. Um, I should I should tell you that kind of a risk disclaimer. Be very careful. My opinion, you need at least 400 to $500 in your account for you to safely trade martingale using the strategy that I will be teaching you right now, today. And we will be trading it live. We will test it live here on YouTube. Okay, so that out of the way, let's move let's move to the Excel sheet so I can show you the trading cycles of our martingale. How are we going to trade? The trading cycle consists of four trades. Four trades. These are the amounts of the first, second, third, and fourth, and these are the potential returns if you win. So if you win the first trade, you've made yourself $1.1. If you lost and move to the second trade, your return is 5.38, which is you recovered the previous loss plus this amount of profit, and so on. So at the fourth trade, if you lost the first three, this is your return, and this is your net profit after recovery of the past three losses. So this is the cycle for now. This Let me show you the second Excel sheet. So for you to compound your profits and earnings and increase your balances safely yet at a decent speed, I've set up like stages for you to increase the trade amounts. So if your starting balance is 100, once you reach 125, you increase those amounts by 25%. And once you reach a balance of 150, so you also added 25 bucks to your balance, you add 25% to your trading amount. Now, also the nice thing about pocket option is they allow decimal trade amounts. So you can do something like 1.25, 1.4, or 1.56, for example. One of my viewers told me Cortex don't allow this. So for Cortex, for Cortex to work, if you trade, let's say your first trade is $1, you have to double up to two. Now at this stage, if you do four, I think you'll be in a loss. You won't recover your previous losses. So at some point, you'll have to increase a lot. So this is you should do that spreadsheet if you trade martingale. It is essential you have a spreadsheet with clear balance range and trade amounts depending on each balance. So I've made a sheet for up to 500. You can increase it as much as you like. Every stage we increase 25%. All right. Again, I cannot stress enough that you need at least 400 4 to $500 in your balances to trade these amount safely. Now you might ask, okay, so if these are safe amounts for these balances, why are you trading with $100? Because I want to stress test the strategy. I want to put the strategy under heavy testing. And since I'm trading the pocket option tournament, so the starting balance is 100. Okay, so again, we've had 3 winning days, 3 losing days so far. We still have today, Saturday, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, Sunday, so we can have a decent statistical data to see if this exact martingale strategy I'm going to teach you right now is consistent and safe enough for me to give it a good to go from my side as a trader, as a professional, 5 years trader in binary options and forex. So let's start by setting up the basics. First, you need to set your expiry time to 1 minute. So you go over here, you make sure that the clock option is there, and you set it up to 1 minute. And one, you can change it also from the plus minus. Also, we will be needing one indicator, one technical indicator. You go from over here and you select the zigzag. So let's click on zigzag. You click it once. You don't have to change any the 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 settings of the indicator. Just default settings are perfect. Okay, let me try and change the color maybe. Let me see if I can find, because I'm using yellow for my pen. So let me see if I can find. I'll use I'll use let's say white, 2 pixels. Let me see if it's clear. Okay, it's clear, beautiful. Okay, so now that we have our indicator in place, for this strategy to work, you need to select pairs or assets that has a 90 to 92% payout here. Below 90% payout, the martingale strategy will not work. It will not recover your previous losses and you will be in a loss. So let's go ahead and select as many plus 90% payout pairs as possible. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat box. And if you want to join my team, all the links you need are in the description box. Also, I have a gift for you guys. Anyone who signs up using my pocket option link and contacts me on Telegram, I have 100% deposit bonus for you guys, exclusively for my traders. 100% deposit bonus. So let's before setting up the four charts, as we will be using four charts at the same time, let me explain why do we use the zigzag. Actually, we use two technical analysis um, um, data for us to identify the best pair possible to start trading martingale, to start implementing our strategy. So the zigzag, very simply, shows you the swing highs and the swing lows of a certain period. So you see that steep increase in price. This is what you should be looking for to start your martingale, betting for buys for a reversal. Now our martingale strategy starts with two buys and two sells. So four trades, two to the upside in this case and two to the downside. Why? Because sometimes the pair might breach this zone and continue going downwards. The two sell trades will help you in case this behavior happened. So, and also you can find steep price increases using the zigzag. Look at this one. Also, it's a drop in price. Beautiful. Let's see an increase. I need a sharp increase in price. Look at this over here. That's beautiful. See this reversal after this steep dive. Okay, so this is your first indicator that okay, this pair is good for me to trade. Steep dives or steep increases showed by the zigzag. Now the zigzag also, you see this long, very long line. This is also to help you identify those locations on the chart. Now the second technical analysis tool we'll be using. First, let me find something clearer. Okay, look at this one. Beautiful steep dive to the downside. You should look to the left side for some sort of a demand area in this case. So look at this over here. You have a strong demand area. So the only thing you have to do is to just mark the zone with the horizontal line you see here. So what is a demand or supply area? A demand or a supply area is any location where demand, buyers want to buy, so they have a demand for this asset over here. You see the buyers kicked in and made this huge move to the upside. So most probably, when the price comes back to this zone, the buyers will kick in again. Why? Because we know for a fact the chart already showed us that these buyers over here, they like the price over here. Simple. Don't overcomplicate it. And from from a seller's perspective, from a buyer's perspective, let's see supply. Let me show you a supply area. Now that we have talked about demand, let me see if we have something beautiful over here. So look at this. Here you have this zone. Oops, hold on. Let me remove the auto scroll for now. Okay, so here you have a strong rejection point after a steep increase in price. You had a reversal over here short term and you had a long term reversal over here. So let's look to the left side and see if we have a supply area where sellers decided to step in and drop the price. Let's see, it's clear. That's it. Let me increase to the 5 minutes for easy presentation. So you see this over here. This is your supply area. Let me bring the line. This is your supply area. Now, the supply area isn't a line, This line over here doesn't represent the full length or the full potential of the supply area, because you should consider this line as a zone. So whenever the buyers reach anywhere in the vicinity of this zone, a reversal is expected. Okay, so these are the only two technical analysis you should do before jumping into beginning your martingale strategy. Now there are more things you can look for, like in this case, this topping tail bar. This usually is a strong seller's momentum. Uh, it happened over here as well. Strong seller's momentum. All right. So I think this is quite easy. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the live chat. And also, if you are watching us, click that like button. I don't like the white color actually. Let me change the color of the zigzag. Green or maybe orange. Nope. Black. Nope. Turquoise. That's nice. Okay, that's better, I think. Beautiful. All right. So now that we have all the things that we need in place, let's find a pair that has more than 90% payout and start our trading strategy. So let me see. Okay. Remember, we need to find steep dive or a steep increase in price. Why isn't it working? I need my hotkeys. Shift tab. All right. Set. Look at this beauty over here. We are on the 5 minutes chart. No problem. You can use the 5 minutes and go back to 1 minute chart. It already made the move. Let me go to the 1 minute. This is beautiful over here. 92% payout. I'll go for it. Let me set. So now you go and select the four charts. Let's set the amounts of our martingale. 1.2 first trade, 2.8 second trade, 6.5 third, and 14.5 the fourth. Now, exceptionally today, I won't stop at the fourth. You should stop whenever you reach the fourth trade. You should stop. In this case, we'll be losing $25 or 25% of our balance, which is too much, which is actually too much. Remember, I am stress testing the strategy. So if you have $500 in your account, you lost $25. That's 5%, which is easily recoverable for you. So you should stop or increase to the fifth trade by doubling up on this stage here for a buy in this situation. So let's begin. I'll wait for the end of this candle to open our first trade. Let's go full screen. Okay, 6 seconds left. Let's go for a buy here. So we started our martingale strategy with the first trade ongoing. If you just came to the live and you have any questions about the strategy, about the amounts, how do you define the safest amounts possible to keep your risk management in check, please do not hesitate to ask your questions in the live streaming, or if you are watching us on YouTube replay, use the comments box. We will have our first class here. So we'll go for a buy at the second stage. Okay, 6 seconds left. We go for a buy. We just finished our VIP trading on Telegram with my VIPs in profit. We took 5 trades. We won 3 out of 5. Guys, there's a misconception among binary option traders that you should trade a lot. You should take so many trades. That's complete bullshit. You should take 5 to 10 trades per day. If you are not trading martingale, if you have your own strategy based on technical analysis or indicators on anything, you should take 5 to 10 trades only per day and using the same amounts. Okay, this way you can also keep your risk management in place. And if you have a strategy that has a 60% win rate, you are already in profit. Perfect. So we go for the third. So we won the second trade. So whenever you win, let's say you lost over here for a buy, you take a buy here. If you win, you go back to the first stage. Always when you win, you go back to the first stage. This one is looking good. Let's see. May enable auto scroll for this one and for this one as well. It might be a win. Let's see the last few seconds. Beautiful. Oh, come on. 1 point. So we go for a buy on our second. We lost this one. Go for a buy here. Why a buy? Because the pair we are trading had a huge steep drop to the downside, and it has a powerful demand area close by to the left, to the past. So a reversal is expected. We jump on it. This is a beautiful entry. Personally, let me say again, I don't use martingale. I have 3 or 4 strategies that I use depending on how the market is moving. For forex, crypto, and stocks, I have only one strategy I use. Beautiful, to buy as well. For forex, stocks, and crypto, I use only one strategy. Okay, so to this point, we are in profit around 1.5%. We have a trade in progress, beautifully rejecting. Keep on going. Let's see. So we'll go for a buy if it's a loss. 21 seconds left. All right. Beautiful, beautiful rejection. Come on. 6 seconds left. Beautiful. That's going to be a win. We'll take a buy at the opening of the candle. So if by the end of this testing phase on Sunday we have decent winning days versus losing days, I might use this strategy for the copy trading on pocket option. I will do one session of martingale, second session a different strategy, so we can diversify. Let's see if this one gonna be a win as well. Beautiful, beautiful rejection. Come on, keep going. So up to this point, we never reached more than two. Take a buy here. Up to this point, we never reached the third and fourth trade so far, which is good. Now, from this point, I might change the pair. Let me see if I still see two back-to-back bottoming tail bars usually signals strong buyer's momentum. However, let's see what's gonna happen now. 30 seconds left. Nice, come on. It's gonna lose, so we'll take a buy. We're gonna take a buy right now. That's a buy. Let's see what's gonna happen over here. Hello, Relaxers. How are you doing, my friend? This one is gonna be a beautiful push. Amazing. Let's see if it's gonna keep on going up. 6 minutes, 4. Okay, beautiful. We got ourselves a win. All right, so now I will change the pair. We've been trading, let me see how much time. 7 minutes on this pair. We made so far 6.3% profits. Okay, our goal is to reach 25. So now let me go ahead. If you logged in right now, it's good to see how do I select the pairs that I will be using for my martingale system. Let me remove all the pairs below 92% payout or 90% payout. Okay, we have a lot. Perfect. So let's see. This is nice. It already broke. So you see you had your demand area over here. This is the first test of the demand area. It rejected. Third time you have a 50-50 chance the pair will keep on going down. So always try to find a fresh demand or supply area like this one. This is a fresh supply area. It wasn't tested before. So if the price goes back over here and you see you have a supply area where the sellers kicked in, you start your martingale with two sells to the downside and two buys in case those do not work. Let's keep on looking for pairs. It's already started making the move. This is already moved. This is beautiful. It's lingering over here. Let me see. Oops, look at this beautiful demand point. See that? You have a demand area that made all this push to the upside. Now the price is testing this zone. Remember, it's a zone. Let me see what's going on. Okay, it's most probably it's breaching the zone and going even further down. I'll find something else. I need something. I'll be more picky today. Look at this. This is nice. Let me see on the 5 minutes chart. 63%. Come on, I removed this pair. Let me see here. 73% we remove it. 55% you remove it. This is nice as well. on the 5 minutes. Let me see if we have a strong supply area on the 15 minutes chart close by. Okay, so we have this area over here. Let me see what's happening here. Already breached. So here we have a breach. So I will neglect this pair. Okay, we have something here. Let me mark the zone. So I mark this area, and since the price didn't reach the level yet, I will set an alarm. So I'll set an alarm over here in case we needed this pair at a later stage. Again, I'm trying to be picky today. Look at this, come on. I mean, brokers should do a better job hiding manipulation. It's so obvious. Look at this. Avoid when you see such movements. I mean, come on, avoid trading those pairs. Okay, so let's find more 92% payouts. 90% is okay. So let's see the new added pairs. This is nice. Let me go to the 1 minute. Okay, it's happening. So let's go to the four charts. Let's copy the name of the pair over here. Let's go to the four charts and set the USD Thailand currency on all four windows. Okay, come on, they changed the payout. They changed the damn thing. Look at this. They changed it to 84%. I'll wait a little bit. If it comes back to 90%, I'll go for sells at this point. I'll wait 1 minute on it. You should always keep an eye on the payout percentage. It's very important not to trade anything below 90% because the martingale will not work anymore. So doubling up will not recover your losses anymore and give you some profits. So keep that in mind. Okay, I'll change. I look for something else. This is fantastic. Let me see on the 5 minutes. We have a zone. Look at this beauty. We have a zone over here. Let me set an alarm. And let's go to the 1 minute chart. Let's set up the four windows. Okay. Okay, it's kind of getting close to the zone. So remember, whenever you locate a supply or demand area, it's a zone. This line is not set in stone. It's not like a rigid thing. It's like a rubber band. The price might, push below it and go back up. I think the reversal is starting, so I'll start my cycle at the beginning of the next candle. This thing has a steep, very steep dive to the downside, so it is bound to reverse. That's why our first two trades are gonna be buys, and then we'll go for sells. And this is our demand area over here. 18 seconds, and we will take a buy on this one. It might be a little bit premature. However, remember we are stress testing the strategy. So as long as we are testing, let's put it under pressure. I'll go for a buy here. If you are watching us the first time, I already explained the strategy in full at the beginning of this live. You can watch it on replay. Also, if you are new, please click that like button. It will help us a lot, with the YouTube algorithm thing, and subscribe to our channel. We go live daily. Me and my colleague. I'm called Mark. My name is Mark. I trade binary options. Every week, I do strategy testing for a full week live on YouTube. And by the end of the week, we give the verdict. Is it a proper strategy? Is it consistent? Is it worthwhile to trade using the strategy or not? So by the end of this year, I will be covering, up till now, I covered around four strategies, including the AI bot feature of which is a disaster. Beautiful push, come on. So we won a trade over here. The first one was a win. Avoid being tempted. I know the temptation of using AI to trade on your behalf. I know the temptation can be very high, but guys, trust me, I know AI can trade the markets efficiently, but all those people and brokers who promote AI, they don't have any vested interest in you making money actually. Keep that in mind. So the AI might perform very well on when if they give you a free trial, it might work perfectly on a free trial, make you some money, and then when you switch to actually trading with buying this AI or subscribing to this AI, it might reverse on you like crazy. Beautiful. We'll go for a third buy. So we had two winning trades over here. This is a bit of a late entry point. I wanted my entry to be over here. So it should have been over here. Since I was talking to you guys, it was late around 2-3 seconds. Let's see. Beautiful push. Come on, we need a slight decent push to the upside. We will secure this one as well. Come on. Beautiful. Come on. Take a buy here. Okay, so we lost the first one. I should have taken it 2.8. No problem. Let's see. So I continue my cycle as usual. 30 seconds left. Let's see if it's gonna win. Beautiful push. Come on, that's it. That's it. Beautiful, amazing, nice. Keep going, baby. And we take a buy here. Let me see. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. That's it. That's it. If this one loses, we will take a buy here. If it loses, we go for a sell on this. See, the MAD USD reached the level that we spoke about earlier. Hello, state of influence. How are you, my friend? So we'll take a second buy here. This is going to be a loss. Take a buy. So up to this point, we are still in profit. And for today's session, we never reached the third level of our martingale. We are bouncing between the first and the second trade, which is good. So if this one loses, we'll go for a sell here on the third level. Remember, the reversal might be short-term reversal. So it might be like a short-term reversal and keep on going down. So this is why we have sells over here for our third and fourth trade. It's gonna be a loss, so we go for a sell. Go for a sell here. So this is the first time we reach third trade from our cycle for this session, which is okay. Now if we win, we go back to buys. Beautiful drop. Beautiful, come on. Come on. We go back. Now if you win this one, we go back to the first step of the trading of the martingale cycle by taking buys. Remember, we are trading. Beautiful, we go for a buy. I like I like the gap. See this gap here? So this is the closing price. This is the opening price. There's a small gap down. A gap down after a red candle, it means that this bar, most probably, remember nothing is 100%, most probably will close in green. Or if it did go down, it will reject at some point and make something like this. Come on, baby, keep on going. I think this is gonna lose, so we go for a buy on the second step of the martingale. See the rejection? It's rejecting. So we'll go for a buy here as well. Always stay cool, stay focused. Don't let your emotions get into it. The strategy is extremely mechanical, so you don't have to feel anything. Just follow the steps. That's it. Once you reach your profit goal, you stop. Once you reach your stop loss or maximum loss per day, you stop, and that's it. That's gonna be a win. Prepare for the second buy. And we go for a buy here. So now up to this point, we are 10.6% in profit, which is decent, quite decent. Come on. We need a push up. Beautiful push. Come on, that's it. 20 seconds left. Nice. Beautiful. Come on. That's it. Very nice. So we'll go for a buy as well. 2, 1. Go for a buy. Massive drop to the down. Massive gap down. This thing should shoot. Theoretically, on pen and paper, this bar should shoot to the upside. Or if it dropped a little bit, it will reject and go back up. At this point, it's doing fine. So now we are 11.7% in profit. We only reached, for today's session, we only reached the third trade once. So this is nice. Beautiful push, beautiful push. That's it. Come on, baby. I'll take one last trade on this pair before changing to another pair, because this is a huge buyer's momentum, so I want to capitalize on it. Beautiful push. That's it. And we'll take a buy here. So now we are 12.8% in profit. Let me see. If the buyer's momentum keep on being violent like this, I'll stick to the pair and for buys. Let me see how much time have we spent on the USD Pakistani pair. 11:53. 10 minutes. All right. So anything between 10 to 15 minutes is okay. No more than that. So let's see. 20 seconds left. Beautifully pushing to the upside. Eight seconds. We see some rejection. No issues. Go for a buy here as well. So now we are approximately 14% in profit. Most of our first trades are a win at this point because we are taking buys as the first trade. So look at this: one buy, second buy, third buy, fourth buy, and this is the fifth back-to-back wins, which is great. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. Huge buyer's momentum, since we have a huge demand area close by where the buyers kicked the price violently to the upside. So it is expected to happen at this level. However, it might be a short-term push or it can be a long-term push. I take one more. Now this has a gap up. This is the opening price. It has a gap up. So this thing is more likely to go down. However, let's see. We might win this one. This will be if I see the buyers kicked in violently as well. I'll keep on taking buys on this one. Come on, baby. Beautiful. Come on. Nice. So I'll take a buy here. Okay. So guys, 16% ROI. When you think about your balance in terms of percentage of return on investment, the way you look to your balance and the way you look to your profits and losses changes. So imagine giving $100 to your bank for a savings account. How much are they going to give you uh, return per year? Nothing. And if they do, they will give you 1% or 0.5% per year. Now, here in this case, your $100 made 16% in around 25 minutes. So this is a huge this is a huge return, guys. And small amounts can increase your balances quite nicely. So don't get greedy. This is a loss. I'll take a buy here on our second stage. So since I see the buyers are getting weak a little bit, I will change the pair if we win this one. Come on, 28 seconds left. If not, I'll go for a sell. If we win this one, I'll change pairs. Okay, I go for a sell on the third step of the martingale cycle. Okay, I go for a sell here. Let me see how many back-to-back wins we got. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back-to-back wins, guys. That's beautiful. $18 seconds. I think we're gonna win this trade. Beautiful drop. Keep going. Come on, come on. Very nice. All right, guys, look at this. We already are 20% in profit. Now our goal is 25, right? When we reach $25, 25% over here, we stop. Now let me find another pair. Let's remove all the low payout pairs over here. Okay. Beautiful session today. Let's see if we can reach our daily goal. I'm removing all the low payout pairs and adding new high payout, anything above 90%. All right, so let's see. Let's find something decent. This is amazing. However, see, this is your zone. Beautiful, it's rejecting, so I'll go for it. No need to overcomplicate your analysis. Since all your indications are in place, you jump into it, especially it's already rejecting. Okay. Right. Always make sure your 4 windows have the same pair. And let me see what's going on here. Beautiful. Go for a sell on the opening of the next candle, and that's it. See, it already reached this level, rejected, went back up, and rejected as well. You have an engulfing bar here, so most probably this thing is going to go down. Come on. If it's a loss, we will use the second stage of our martingale. It's a loss, we go for a sell as well. So let's see. Beautiful rejection. Come on, keep going. Nice. 10 seconds left. So we'll go with the buyers now. So this is the third time in our session today. We reached the third level, the third stage of our martingale cycle. Beautiful push. Come on, keep going. If this loses, if this trade is a loss, we go for the fourth stage of our martingale, also for a buy. Come on. A slight push right now can go a long way into securing it. Nope, it's not happening. Let's see. 5 seconds. Come on, that's it. Come on. That's it. We go for a sell here. Beautiful drop. Come on. 16 seconds. We need a decent drop to secure this trade. If not, we'll go to second step and double up on our amount for a sell as well. We'll go for a sell. Oops, it's a 61%. Come on. Let me see. So we have a drop in the payout. See, personally, I made a mistake. The payout has been dropping for the last 2-3 trades and I didn't notice. So you should keep an eye always on your payouts. That's a shame. I will change pair. So we are still 16% in profit. Let me find another pair. Let's remove this one. Low payout, remove it. This is nice. Do we have something close by? Let me see. Come on. I'll avoid this one, of course. This is beautiful. Beautiful Jordanian CNY OTC, 92% payout. So let me go here, go to the 4 charts, and adjust the 4 windows. Now I will go with the second stage of the martingale because we lost the last one on the previous pair. So I'll start from here with a sell at the opening of the next candle. Beautiful, come on. 5 seconds. And we go for a sell here. I can't stress enough the importance of the payout percentage. It can make or break your earnings or winnings. So now if this one is a loss, we'll go for a buy over here. It's gonna be a loss. Okay, I'll go for buy on this one. Beautiful, nice start. Let's not jinx it. Come on, beautiful push. Come on. This is normal since there's a supply area, a very strong supply area over here. However, we still have time. Beautiful, come on. We need a slight, one last push and we are okay. Come on, more, a little bit more. That's it. Okay, that's a win. So we'll go for sell on this one. And a sell over here. Beautiful. So we are back to being 18.4% winning. Once I reach $25, I will stop trading. So in this case, the reversal didn't actually start yet. So we still have time to milk the process, milk the reversal. We can milk it. Quite graphic terms I'm using. Hold on. Okay, that's beautiful. That's a win. So we'll go for a sell as well. Come on, that's it. Beautiful. 2, 1. Go for a sell. So now we are 19.5% return on investment. Beautifully, the pair is beautifully rejecting from this area. If we see a strong red candle engulfing bar, this could be an additional layer of indication that the reversal is actually taking place. Nice, beautiful drop. Beautiful, amazing. Go for a sell here. I took it a bit too early, no problem. Let's see. So we go for a sell as well at this beautiful rejection area. Beautiful. Come on, give us a little bit more. That's it. Fantastico. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Fantastic. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's it. Damn it. I go for a sell as well here. Very strong seller's indication. Beautiful drop. Let's watch it. You see, you don't have anything to do. Once you have your two technical analysis factors in place, once you have your amounts set up on your four charts, you only have to execute quickly and promptly and with a super disciplined manner. Beautiful, amazing drop. Go for a sell. Okay, so at this point we are 22% in profit. $22. So we still need $3 to get our $25 per day goal and stop trading. That's a massive one, very massive. Let's see if it's gonna reject. This is a very powerful rejection point. That's it, it's rejected. Rejection ongoing. I'll go for a sell on the second trade of the oof. Huge, massive push. So I went for a sell as well. We stick to the strategy. Don't analyze, don't overanalyze. Stick to the strategy. Now, if this one loses over here, I go for a buy, jumping on this buyer's momentum. So this is your safety net over here. Nice, fantastic, beautiful, beautiful. Keep going. Ten seconds. Come on. Nope. Hey. 3, 2, 1. I go for a sell. So I think if we win this trade, we will finish for today. Beautiful. Come on, keep dropping. Amazing. Beautiful. Nice. That's it. That's my baby. Beautiful, beautiful. I think we will reach our profit goal, our profit taking goal for today. Fantastic. And that's it, guys. We reached our 100, our $25, 25% ROI. So at this point, you stop trading. Guys, $25 a day keeps the doctor away. $25 times 10 days, that's 250. If you are trading 30 days, so times 3, that's $750. So if you have a starting balance of $500 and you end your month plus 750, that's more than 100% return on investment, guys. Okay? Now you might have losing days here and there. So let's say you made $500 in profit, in net profit. So your balance by the end of the month is 1,000. Guys, you made 100% ROI. Withdraw those. Start being withdrawers, guys. Stop being depositors. Withdraw those $500 and secure them. So the next month you will be trading with the house money, not yours. Not yours anymore. We're trading risk free in this case. Okay, so that was beautiful. We reached our goal. Let me see how much time did it take for us to reach 25% ROI approximately. So 11:35. Okay, around an hour, 50 minutes, which is quite okay. 30 to 1 hour trading per session on binary options is more than enough. Don't linger too much. Don't stay trading. The brokers and the market wants you to stay longer periods of time trading because at the end of the day, you will end up losing. So always secure your profits. Now, I open the floor. If you have any questions about the strategy or something else, feel free to use the live chat. I'll give you a few minutes. If you don't have any questions, we will end the session for now since we reached our beautiful 25% ROI over here. So up to this point, we have 4 winning days for the martingale strategy we've been testing and 3 losing days. We still have 2 days to test. 2 days of testing. Hopefully, we will end up with more winning days than losing days. So we give our final verdict on Sunday. I give you 1 more minute if you have questions. If not, we wrap this up for today. If you are watching us on YouTube replay, you can also ask me anything in the comments. I will do my best to reply as soon as possible. It was nice today, to be honest. We never reached the 4th trade. So remember, we have 3 trades in the cycle. I mean 4 trades. Today we only reached the 3rd level only twice. We reached this level twice. Most of our winnings happened at the 1st and 2nd trade, which is quite decent. Okay, since I see no questions from you, thank you for watching. Um, I will be live tomorrow at the same time. If you didn't watch the full explanation of the strategy, you can always go back and watch the replay um, on YouTube. Thank you so much, and bye bye.